Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be covering the introduction to MySQL. Now, let's take a look at some important definitions. As obvious, the first one is MySQL. MySQL is an open source enterprise level multi-threaded relational database management system that stores and retrieves data using structured query language. Now, what is a relational database? Now, the question comes in, what is a database management system? So, database management system is a system that manages relational databases, a collection of programs that enabling the storage, modification and extraction of information from a database. Again, what is a relational database? Relational database is a database that stores data in the form of relational tables as opposed to flat files. And last, structured query language. So, the structured query language or SQL is a standardized query language for getting information from a relational database. So these are some important definitions, and I hope you are now clear with what is MySQL.